It is possible in OASIS 21 to display the setPart3 keyword in the tree view. This video will provide an overview of this new feature. setPart3 is a keyword that was already supported in previous versions of OASIS. It is a special type of set. This set can have either parts and/or child setPart3s. The parts are negative entries in this set, and the setPart3s are positive entries. You can see in this image that this set that has an ID of 1 contains two parts with IDs 4 and 6, and a child setPart3 with ID 2. This can be better seen here in a session of Primer. If I cancel this panel and I go to the Part3 tree view, you can see that this is a simple model with several parts. There is now here a pop-up with the options None, Include, Assembly, and setPart3. If I select setPart3, you can see the two sets that we have, set1 and subset2. I can create new setPart3s by doing right-click and choose Create setPart3. For example, number 3, and I can add some parts to it, and I can create another setPart3, number 4, and I can add some parts to it. And I can even drag this set number 4 into number 3. So it will look like this. You may have noticed that this is the same as the assembly tool that we had before, which is here. The difference is that setPart3 is linked to the set keyword. So after having done this, if I go to setPart3, you can see the 4 sets that I have created previously. For example, if I edit number 3, we can see how it contains the child setPart3 number 4 plus the parts that I added manually, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10, which are here. Of course, I can also edit the keyword in the keyword editor, and the setPart3 will be updated accordingly. Thank you.